Hey, what's up, guys? This is the day after Christmas, and we're here going to the. I just want to give another shot to Monkwei Saints New Year, I guess, at 18 Clan, whatever they want to call it. We're gonna check it out, and well, Merry Christmas, anyway. It's the day after, but we'll see you inside. This is the entrance. You have to come around here and buy it on the side here. Well, admission fee is $5. Okay, we are finally inside. Now we're gonna walk towards the crowd and see if there's anything over there.
Nếu có chỉ báo số nếu thế bị là chê nếu tham mua nhẹ cho nó cố lo ta chỉ mà với một đàn thôi tôi mua chấp là bán ra rồi đó.
Oh, I got nothing ashamed of. Oh my God.
Themselves and their future generations. The annual celebration allows your community an opportunity to educate.
ถ้าลองลูน้องกุศลว่าอีหลอกว่าโจรประธานเวชเฮอร์เทชตาลีว่าลองประธานจากหัวเทชตาลีไปตัวว่า executive director หัวเซียนลีติลองเซียนในไปตัวเดียมัวว่าลุ่มเบดาวเธอไปลุ่มปัจจัยไปยังไงตัวนอกของนอกเกี่ยวว่าในเป็นแหล่งโจเทชตาลีจงในตัวรู้นะในตัวรู้ว่านอกในฮัตยามอย่างมันในหมู่ผู้ไปเสกคือที่ลิงจ่าฉันเด้อขณะอย่างอีกข้อเดียวกูให้อีหลอกว่าในฉันเด้อโจในยอดเดียมจะต้องมาตัวรู้หรอสิแต่สิ่งที่นี่จะมั่วจะเหนียดเชื้อนะกูบอกแต่ในลูกเชื้อล้อเห็นด่าแหงไปเจอว่าเธอยอดกูที่ลิงจ่าห้องฉันเด้อนอกที่ลิงต่อเธอตลอดว่าที่รู้งานตรงนั้นเนอะจิตาลีเรากูสาวหายเราโจเราว่าคณะบอร์ดเทีย nên số lệnh số tù nên chén nên yên một trong lệnh tàu tù
ít tiền là mua chỉ要cầu trí là ít tiền là mua cầu trí là
từ lúc cô tiền cái lúc đã ư chỉ có chỉ mỗi ý想gì vì tiếc có từ mỗi nên lựa ta vô lý
tôi chồng bị tên đi cha sẽ là dùng xe nào mà nó nào tao tôi cùng số lần số tu và để sẽ là dùng chiếc nó cá nhau dùng cho lúc dùng xe nữa nè mỗi trăm ngàn là cho phí đó này số lần số tu tao nung thế trong chế lù sở hữu chỉ tao dùng là nên nung trong chế lù nè tua bóng tay chờ miền ra cho nhà liệt chùa tua và mơ hồ và lu bê cho chỉ tao ta lâu cái không bự trong ruột của anh.
I'm about to get some food and gonna head home. Been here all day, but I'm glad you guys get to come along with me, and I hope you enjoy the time to go. It's been fun. Did a lot of walking and a lot of good food. And we had a good time. I'll see ya.